shares the four pillars of next-gen tourism that will guide this year's Philippine Travel Mart. So once again, everybody, palakpakan po natin Miss Malu Amson.
But just to share you something, actually it's first time in the history of Piltover that we did a progressive thing. We started in 2024, as you see in my previous slides. So naging thematic siya because we really want to build story and we want it to be progressive. That is why we built this Next Gen Tourism series. The video you have just witnessed is more than a theme reveal. It is our declaration of purpose and a vision for a more meaningful, responsible, and resilient tourism future. The pandemic changed tourism landscape, not just how we travel, but why we travel. Today's travelers seek authenticity, purpose, wellness, and meaningful connections over mere destinations. We cannot meet these new realities with old approaches. That is why, through the 37th Philippine Travel Mart, we embrace this year's theme, nurturing the next-gen tourism, discover your Philippines. To nurture means to cultivate, protect, empower, and innovate. Our vision is anchored with one powerful invitation. Discover your Philippines more than discovering places. It is about discovering a better way to travel where every journey leaves a positive impact. Every destination is empowered, every traveler is connected, and every experience nurtures both people and planet. Through the lens of our four next-gen tourism pillars, we invite everyone to discover Philippines that is sustainable in protecting its natural and cultural treasures, digital in creating smarter and more seamless travel experiences, inclusive in ensuring tourism benefits every community, and centered on health and wellness, where every journey renew the mind, body, and spirit. Discover Your Philippines means directly captures each of four pillars while serving a strong nourishment. Our first pillar, sustainability, is the foundation. It is the foundation. If we fail to protect our destinations today, there will be nothing left for tomorrow. Tourism must preserve nature, culture, and communities for future generations. Responsible tourism is shared duty. Every journey should leave a positive impact. This is where Philtowa stands for, giving back more than it. But protection alone is not enough. As traveler evolve, so must we. This leads to our second pillar, digitalization. Technology is reshaping travel, from planning to post-trip engagement. It helps MSMEs stay competitive and connected globally. Smart tourism means seamless, safe, and customer-focused experiences. Technology should enhance hospitality, not replace it. Innovation alone is not enough. Tourism success is measured by lives empowered, and that goes to our next pillar, inclusivity. Tourism must uplift everyone, communities, women, youth, indigenous people, and persons with disabilities. When communities are partners, destinations become richer and more authentic. Inclusive tourism creates shared prosperity and responsibility. After recent global challenges, travelers seek deeper meaning. They travel not just to escape, but to reconnect. The last pillar leads to our health and wellness. Travelers now seek experiences that restore our whole entire being. Wellness goes beyond spas. It includes nature, culture, food, and meaningful connections. Healing destinations create healthier communities and a stronger industry. And speaking of health and wellness, the 37th Philippine Travel Mart offers even greater value for every visitor. We are delighted to announce that Confex, or the Health and Wellness Confex, will be our co-located event for the 37th Philippine Travel Mart. This means that 1 PTM admission ticket gives you complimentary access to both events. This is on the 2nd floor of the SMX, allowing you to explore not only the best of Philippines, but also the latest innovations and experiences in health and wellness and lifestyle, all in one venue. These 4 pillars are interconnected. Sustainability protects, digitalization prepares, inclusivity empowers, wellness restores. Together, our partners, we are building not just better tourism, but a better future. The future is not defined by arrivals, but by impact. Let us nurture next-gen tourism. Let us inspire the world to discover your Philippines. And that is the 4 pillars of the Next Gen Tourism Series.
Miss Malu Hapsal, ladies and gentlemen. Ano